In this video, we're going to use API keys, a new feature recently added by Reya. With API keys, you no longer need to store your main wallet's private key inside the end file. Instead, you can generate an API key from the Reya website, grant access to a separate wallet, and use that one for your trades. It's safer, and you can remove the permission anytime you want. So let's go step by step. First, go to the Reya website and open the API page. Click Generate, copy the private key, and authorize your wallet. Next, go to the SDK folder and pull the latest update to make sure you're using the version that supports API keys. Now open the environment file and paste your new private key there. Also update the wallet address variable to your owner wallet address and add the Reya REST API URL. Now let's test it. Go to the order entry file, comment out all the lines except the IOC limit order, then go to the IOC function and set values for a token. For example, we'll open a long position on the OP token. If you don't know how IOC orders work, check the previous video in the Reya SDK playlist. Now save the file and run it with this command. If you check Reyadex, you'll see that the position has opened successfully.